What if I told you AI just killed 153,000 jobs in a single month? October 2025, the worst month for layoffs in over 2 decades. Not a recession, not a pandemic, AI. Salesforce cut 4,000 customer service workers, replaced them with AI. Amazon laying off 14,000 corporate employees, up to 30,000 by January. UPS eliminated 48,000 positions, almost double what they planned. If you think your job is safe because you are white collar, college educated, or in tech, this video will prove you are wrong, because here's what the data actually shows. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs at risk globally. The World Economic Forum says 92 million jobs will be gone by 2030. And October 2025 just showed us it's happening faster than anyone predicted. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which jobs AI is replacing right now, which industries are being decimated, and whether your career will survive the next 5 years. But more importantly, you will understand which jobs AI can't replace and how to position yourself for survival. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, I need to be honest with you. I've watched AI go from future technology to actively destroying careers in less than 2 years. People who thought they were safe because they had degrees, experience, and skills are getting replaced by software. And what makes me furious? Companies lying about it. Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff said AI wouldn't cause mass layoffs, then cut 4,000 people, saying I need less heads. So when I researched the October 2025 layoff data, analyzed which jobs AI is actually replacing, looked at the predictions from Goldman Sachs in the World Economic Forum, I had to expose this. Not because I'm selling you an AI training course, I am not, but because someone needs to show you the truth about what's happening to jobs while tech CEOs gaslight everyone about AI being just a tool. Full transparency, I run a paid Patreon community called The Heights. I'll mention it at the end. I earn income from it, and I want you to know that up front. Now, let me show you the massacre. I'm Antoine Wade, and I research employment data and technological disruption so you understand what's actually happening to the job market. For this video, I analyzed the October 2025 Challenger Gray and Christmas job cuts report, Goldman Sachs predictions, World Economic Forum research, and verified company announcements. Here is what October 2025 revealed. 153,000 job cuts announced in October 2025. Highest October since 2003, that is 22 years. 183% surge from September. September had 54,000 cuts. October tripled it, 175% increase from October 2024. Last year's October, 55,000 cuts. This year, almost tripled it. 2025 year to date, 1,099,500 job cuts. That is up 65% from 2024's 664,000 job cuts. Highest since 2020, when the pandemic caused 2.3 million cuts. We are not in a pandemic. We are not in a recession. This is AI replacing humans at scale. Critical disclaimer before we continue. The data I'm showing you is from verified sources, including Challenger Gray and Christmas, Goldman Sachs, and official company announcements as of November 2025. Job market predictions are estimates based on current trends. Individual career outcomes vary by industry, skills, adaptability, and many factors. This video analyzes technological disruption trends. It does not guarantee any specific outcome for your career. Now, let me show you the companies. Here are the major companies that massacred their workforces in 2025. Company number 1, Salesforce. Jobs eliminated: 4,000 customer support roles. Went from 90,000 customer service workers to 5,000. What replaced them? AI now handles 50% of customer interactions, about 1 million interactions. CEO Mark Benioff's exact quote: I need less heads. Not fewer employees, not workforce reduction, less heads. The broken promise? Months earlier, Benioff said AI would not cause mass layoffs, then eliminated 4,000 people. The date, September 2nd, 2025. Company number 2, Amazon. Corporate layoffs: 14,000 roles announced, up to 30,000 by January 2026. But that's just the beginning. Amazon plans to replace 600,000 plus warehouse workers over the next decade with robots and AI. AI investment, $120 billion in 2025. That is up 50%. CEO Andy Jassy's quote, "We anticipate that generative AI will lead to a reduction in our overall corporate workforce in the coming years. They are not hiding it. They are openly planning to eliminate hundreds of thousands of workers." Company number 3, UPS. Total cuts, 48,000 workers, 34,000 operational employees, 14,000 management positions. The shocking part, they planned 20,000 cuts, ended up eliminating 48,000, almost 2.5 times what they announced. 93 buildings closed. They planned 70 and closed 93. Ended up saving $3.5 billion. Company number 4, Target. Corporate roles eliminated, 18,000. That's 8% of their corporate workforce. 1,000 actual layoffs plus 800 vacant positions eliminated. Managers hit 3 times harder than other workers. Significance, first major layoffs in a decade. Date, October 23rd, 2025. Company number 5, Klarna. Workforce reduction, 40% over 2 years. Went from 5,227 employees in December 2022 to 3,422 in December 2024. What replaced them? AI that equals 700 full-time employees. Profit increase, $40 million from AI. CEO Sebastian Siemiatowski says this: "The company has shrunk from about 5,000 to now almost 3,000 employees." He is not apologizing. He is celebrating. Company number 6, Meta. AI-related job cuts, 600 positions. From Fair Research Division and AI infrastructure teams. The irony, cutting AI jobs while expanding their AI lab. Even AI workers aren't safe from AI. Company number 7, Microsoft. Roles eliminated, 9,000. Reason, AI focus and efficiency. Company number 8, IBM. Positions planned, 7,800 eliminated. That's 30% of their back office operations. Timeline, over 5 years. These aren't struggling companies. These are profitable tech giants choosing to replace humans with AI to increase margins. Drop a comment. Do you work in any of these companies? I want to hear from people experiencing this firsthand. Now let me show you which industries are being destroyed. Here's which industries AI is hitting the hardest. Warehousing. 47,878 October job cuts. That's a 4,700% month-over-month increase. Almost 48,000 warehouse workers eliminated in 1 month. Year-to-date, 90,418 cuts. That's up 378% from 2024. Robots are taking over warehouses. Amazon, UPS, and logistics companies are replacing humans with machines at unprecedented scale. Technology. 33,281 October cuts. September had 5,600 cuts. Year-to-date, 141,000 tech layoffs, up 17% from 2024. The people building AI are being replaced by the AI they built. Retail. 2,431 October cuts. Year-to-date, 88,664 cuts, 145%. Other industries feeling this pinch? The food industry with 10,662 October cuts. The government with 7,883 October cuts. Consumer products with 3,409 October cuts. 41,033 year-to-date, up 21%. Media, 16,680 year-to-date, up 26%. Nonprofits, 9,651 year-to-date, over 400% increase. No industry is safe. Tech, retail, warehousing, media, even nonprofits. AI is coming for everyone. Here's what the biggest research institutions predict about AI and jobs. Goldman Sachs prediction, 300 million jobs at risk globally. Not thousands, not millions, 300 million. 6 to 7% of U.S. workforce is widely adopted. 18% of jobs worldwide could be automated. 25% of all work tasks could be completely performed by AI. The promise they make: 7% annual GDP boost, 15% productivity increase. The economy might grow, but hundreds of millions of people will lose their jobs. World Economic Forum 2025 report: 92 million jobs displaced by 2030. That's only 5 years away. 170 million new jobs created. Net gain: 78 million jobs. That sounds good until you realize the 92 million people losing jobs aren't the same people getting the 170 million new jobs. 22% job disruption. That means 1 in 5 jobs fundamentally changes or disappears. 86% of businesses expect AI transformation by 2030. 39% of current skills will become outdated between 2025 and 2030. Almost 40% of what you know how to do will be useless in 5 years. Other predictions: MIT and Boston University: 2 million manufacturing workers replaced by 2026. That is next year. McKinsey predicts 25% of work tasks will be automated with existing technology right now. WC says 15 trillion will be added to the global GDP by 2030 from AI. The rich gets 15 trillion richer, and 300 million people lose their jobs. If you are worried about AI taking your job, drop "AI is coming" in the comments. Now, let me show you which specific jobs are most at risk. Here are the jobs AI is actively replacing right now, not in 5 years. Customer service. Salesforce: 4,000 customer service jobs eliminated. AI handles 50% of interactions. Klarna: AI replaced 700 full-time customer service agents. 49% of companies using ChatGPT say it has replaced workers. BT in the UK plans to cut 10,000 of 55,000 jobs to AI. If you work in customer service, you are in the most dangerous job category. Amazon: 600,000 plus warehouse workers to be replaced over the next decade. 1.7 million manufacturing jobs lost since 2000. Robots operate 24/7 without fatigue, breaks, or benefits. Wells Fargo: 200,000 banking jobs expected to disappear over the next decade. Wall Street traders being replaced by algorithms. 69% of banking skills face transformation or elimination. 80% of AI-exposed occupations saw steepest unemployment increases. There is a 0.47 correlation that AI exposure equals unemployment rise. 26% of software development tasks are AI exposed. Number 1, customer service representatives. Number 2, data entry clerks. Number 3, bookkeepers and accounting clerks. Number 4, factory workers. Number 5, warehouse workers. Number 6, financial traders. Number 7, legal research assistants. Number 8, basic content writers. Number 9, administrative assistants. Number 10, retail cashiers. Administrative work: 46% exposed. Legal: 44% exposed. Banking and finance: 69% exposed. Customer service: 66% exposed. Software development: 26% exposed. If your job involves repetitive tasks, data processing, or basic customer interactions, you are in the danger zone. Here's the good news: some jobs AI generally can't replace. Jobs requiring physical work in unpredictable environments or human emotional connection are the safest. Jobs AI can't replace: number 1, plumbers. Physical work in unpredictable environments. Robots can't navigate under sinks in 100-year-old buildings. Number 2, electricians. Skills trades requiring adaptability to unique situations. Number 3, nurses. Human touch, empathy, and physical care AI cannot replicate. Number 4, teachers. Mentoring, empathy, and human connection matter more than information delivery. Number 5, social workers. Complex human situations requiring judgment and compassion. Number 6, therapists and counselors. Emotional support and human understanding AI cannot provide. Number 7, artists with creative vision. Not graphic designers executing prompts, but artists creating original visions. Number 8, skilled trades. That includes HVAC, carpentry, welding, and unpredictable physical environments. Notice what they all have in common: physical work in changing environments that robots can't navigate. or human connection that AI can't replicate. Here's something important that you need to understand. Not all layoffs blamed on AI are actually caused by AI. There's a new concept called AI washing. Companies blaming AI for traditional cost cutting to avoid backlash. Peter Capel from Wharton says there's scant evidence AI leads to job reductions at the scale being discussed. The reality, introducing AI to preserve jobs is exceedingly intricate and time-consuming. Some layoffs are genuinely AI replacing workers, Salesforce, Klarna, Amazon's warehouse plans, but some companies are using AI as an excuse for normal cost cutting because it sounds better than we want higher profits. The truth is probably somewhere in between. AI is replacing some jobs. Companies are using AI as a cover for other layoffs. Both are happening. As I mentioned at the start, I run a paid Patreon community called The Heights. The community includes career adaptation strategies, AI-resistant career paths, and skills development guidance. Critical disclaimer: joining The Heights or any community does not guarantee your job is safe or that you will successfully adapt to AI disruption. Career outcomes depend on industry trends, your adaptability, market conditions, and many factors nobody controls. If you are interested, check out the link in the description. Here's what you need to understand. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. 150,000 jobs eliminated in October 2025 alone. 1 million jobs gone this year. Goldman Sachs, 300 million jobs at risk globally. World Economic Forum, 92 million jobs displaced by 2030. If you are worried about AI taking your job, you should be. Salesforce replaced 4,000 customer service workers. Klarna eliminated 40% of their workforce. Amazon is planning to replace 600,000 warehouse workers. The companies doing this are profitable. Salesforce, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. They are not laying people off because they are struggling. They are laying people off to make their profits even higher. Your options: option 1, move into jobs AI can't replace. Skilled trades, healthcare requiring human touch, jobs with physical work in unpredictable environments. Or option 2, become an expert at using AI. The people training AI, managing AI systems, and creating with AI will survive. Option 3, develop skills that combine AI with human judgment. AI can generate. You provide vision, taste, and strategic thinking. AI won't take your job. Someone using AI will. Here's what you need to do right now. In the comments, tell me what job you do and do you think AI will replace you? Are you already seeing AI replace coworkers at your company? Drop your answer. I try to read every comment. If this video opened your eyes to AI threat, drop wake up in the comments. Hit subscribe for honest analysis about technological disruption and market trends. Remember the key numbers: 153,000 October 2025 layoffs, highest in 22 years. 1.1 million jobs eliminated in 2025 so far. 47,878 warehouse workers gone in 1 month. 47,000% increase. 300 million jobs at risk globally, according to Goldman Sachs. 92 million jobs displaced by 2030, according to the World Economic Forum. Remember the pattern. Jobs AI can't replace: plumbers, electricians, nurses, teachers, and social workers, therapists, and skilled trades. Jobs requiring physical work in unpredictable environments or genuine human connection. Jobs most at risk: customer service, data entry, bookkeeping, factory warehouse work, financial trading, basic content writing, administrative work, anything repetitive, predictable, or purely digital. 3 survival strategies: move into AI-resistant careers requiring physical work or human connection. Become an expert at using AI so you are managing it, not replaced by it. Develop skills combining AI capabilities with human judgment and creativity. October 2025 proved AI layoffs are accelerating, not slowing down. Salesforce, Amazon, UPS, Target, Klarna, Meta, Microsoft, IBM all eliminated thousands of workers. The AI apocalypse isn't coming, it's already here. This is Antoine Wade. Adapt or become obsolete. Keep climbing. We'll see you in the next video.